Hi there and welcome to this LoftZone guide on loft insulation. In this video we'll be giving you advice on what type of loft insulation you can fit in your home, as well as some things to look out for. We'll be doing a separate video on installing loft insulation later, so make sure to hit that subscribe button to see all of our content in the future. Loft insulation is one of the easiest ways to save money on your energy bills. Without it you can lose 25% of the heat in your home through the roof. What type of insulation should I use? There's a number of different types of insulation options, all of which have pros and cons. Typically, most UK homes use blanket insulation, made out of mineral or wool fibre. It's straightforward and easy to install yourself. Some types can irritate when installing, however, so wear gloves and a face mask. Loose insulation can be good for irregularly spaced joists where pre-cut rolls won't fit. In a drafty loft, however, it can come loose. Blown insulation is useful if access is difficult, but this requires special equipment and a costly professional install. For the purposes of this video, we'll be talking about blanket insulation from this point. How much insulation do I need? The minimum recommended depth of blanket insulation in a loft is 270mm. This includes both the insulation between your joists and an extra layer on top. This comes as standard in most new homes. In older properties, however, you may only have insulation up to the height of your joists, and you'll need to add the extra layer. These can be purchased from most DIY shops. There's no limit to the amount of insulation you need in your loft. However, the returns on more insulation do diminish after around 300mm. Protecting your insulation. If you've already installed insulation in your loft or you plan to use it after an install, you must remember not to squash it. Placing boards, boxes or anything else directly onto the insulation halves its effectiveness and doubles the heat loss. But there's an easy way to keep your insulation protected and still use your loft. LoftZone store floor is a raised loft floor which allows for storage above the insulation. Store floor supports raise the deck above the insulation, allowing for an air gap which also prevents condensation from forming under the boards. It's quick to build and creates safe, easy access, whilst helping to keep your insulation working as it should. Hopefully this video has helped you make a decision on loft insulation. It really is one of the best things you can do to your home. If you'd like more information, check some of the links in the description box below, and if you have any questions, leave a comment as well. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for all of our future videos, and thank you very much for watching.